Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to create this presentation and see how it looks like. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to see my channel. You will find a lots of them. And if you like it, please like and subscribe to see how it's done. It's really easy one, but let's try to create it. At first, we need to create a new slide, a blank space, and then we need to create this thing. Let's see how we can create this thing. It's a group. Let me ungroup it for you to understand how we can create it. At first, we create a text box and write 5 into it here, and then set the font to Overdrive Sunset 5, Overdrive Sunset, and shape format to this shape format. And then another text box and write it here, and these two text box, we don't use anything special about them. And a rectangle to the size of the, let me create another one, a rectangle to the size of the slide, and then send it to back, and then select all of them and group them. We create it by this. Let me just group them, select all of them and group them, and do this thing for all the 4 another slides we have, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then put them together. Let's see how we can put them together. We copy the slide 1 and paste it here. For putting them together, you must know some points, some hints that are very important. Let me say what hints. For example, the first one is the order. This green is must send to back, and then you bring this to front. You are going to bring them, send them to back to the order here, send to back, send to back, send to back, and send to back. Now you create the order. After creating that, you copy this slide and just simply bring them out and just simply just choose them out like this. Another time, another time. Okay, it gave us a problem. Another time, and one last time, and then select all of the slides by pressing Shift and set the transition to morph. Now let's see the magic happen. If you like this kind of tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe and search my channel for them. You will find some good materials. And if you have any question, please ask in the comments. I will be happy to answer you. And if it is useful for you, that makes me so proud. Have a nice time.